What is AI? And amid all the hype and skepticism associated with AI today, it can feel overwhelming, sometimes even confusing, what we actually mean when we say AI. For Quantilope, that's meant leveraging technology to replace manual, repetitive tasks, which we've been weaving into our platform for years. A few examples include data analysis of advanced methods, automated data cleaning, predicting the length of a survey, and analyzing video and text at scale, and much more. So if you work with Quantilope or a variety of other technology-based tools, you've most likely been leveraging AI already for years. Now we, and probably many of you, are obviously very excited by the latest developments in AI. These advances are creating even more opportunities for us to drive efficiencies.